Welcome, Kentucky homebuyers. Joel here, your Kentucky mortgage expert. Let's clear up one of the most common questions I get from homebuyers. What's the difference between a hard and a soft credit inquiry? Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for your mortgage journey: hard versus soft credit inquiries. When applying for a home loan, lenders check your credit to assess eligibility and interest rates. Understanding how these checks work is vital. What is a hard credit inquiry? A hard credit inquiry occurs when a lender checks your credit report as part of a loan application process, such as applying for a mortgage, auto loan, or credit card. Here's what you need to know. Checkmark customer authorization required. A lender must have your permission before pulling your credit. Eyes visible to other lenders. Hard inquiries can be seen by other financial institutions reviewing your credit. Downward trend may impact your score slightly, typically causes a small, temporary drop, usually 3 to 5 points. Hourglass remains on your report for 2 years. Though the score impact fades after a few months, the inquiry stays visible for up to 24 months. Home required for mortgage pre-approval. Every legitimate pre-approval requires a full credit pull to accurately assess eligibility and loan options. A hard pull happens when a lender checks your credit for a lending decision, like an official mortgage application, auto loan, or credit card. Let's clear up one of the biggest credit questions I get from homebuyers. What's the difference between a hard and a soft credit inquiry? Let's start with a hard inquiry. A hard credit pull happens when a lender checks your credit as part of a loan application, like for a mortgage, car loan, or credit card. It requires your authorization, it's visible to other lenders, and it can drop your score a few points, typically 3 to 5. That inquiry stays on your report for 2 years, and it's required for a legitimate mortgage pre-approval letter. Now, a soft inquiry is different. A soft pull has zero impact on your credit score, it's not visible to other lenders, and it doesn't require a full application. It's simply a quick way to see what you can pre-qualify for before taking the next step. Pro tip: when shopping for a mortgage lender and getting a lender pre-approval. If you're shopping for a mortgage, multiple hard inquiries within a 30 to 45-day window count as one single inquiry for credit scoring purposes. So go ahead, compare rates confidently without worrying about damaging your credit. What is a soft credit inquiry? A soft credit inquiry is a quick credit check that gives lenders and borrowers a snapshot of credit health without affecting your score. Here's how it works. Green circle, no impact on credit scores. A soft pull has zero effect on your credit rating. Eye and speech bubble, not visible to other lenders. Only you can see soft inquiries on your credit report. Memo, no formal application required. It's used for pre-qualification or rate shopping, not a full loan approval. Light bulb, see what you can pre-qualify for. A great first step to explore your mortgage options before applying. A soft pull is for informational purposes, not a lending decision. This could be checking your own credit or getting pre-qualified for a mortgage. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score, are not visible to other lenders, and do not require your authorization or a formal application. Examples include checking your own credit score, credit card pre-approvals, or employer background checks. Many lenders can perform a soft pull to help you see where your credit stands without impact. If you're shopping for a mortgage, multiple inquiries within a 30 to 45-day window count as one single inquiry for credit scoring. So don't be afraid to shop around and compare rates. The system is designed for that. Will a hard inquiry hurt my chances? Short answer: no. A hard inquiry typically drops your score by less than 5 points temporarily. For most Kentucky homebuyers with decent credit, this minor dip won't affect your mortgage approval. What matters more? Your overall credit history, consistent payment patterns, debt-to-income ratio, length of credit history. The temporary impact of a hard inquiry is minimal compared to the long-term benefit of securing the right mortgage for your Kentucky home. What is a soft credit inquiry? A soft credit inquiry, or soft pull, occurs when your credit is checked for informational purposes, not for a lending decision. Common examples include checking your own credit score, getting pre-qualified for a mortgage or credit offer, background checks by employers or insurance companies, lender reviews for pre-qualified offers. Soft inquiries don't affect your credit score at all, aren't visible to other lenders reviewing your credit, don't require formal authorization. Many Kentucky lenders, including myself, can perform soft credit checks during early pre-qualification to give you a sense of what you can afford without lowering your credit score. I talk to a lot of buyers who say, "Joel, I'm nervous to have my credit pulled. I don't want my score to drop." Let's be real. That's a common fear. But here's the truth. A credit inquiry for a mortgage isn't going to wreck your score. When I pull your credit, It's called a hard inquiry. And yes, it can cause a small temporary dip. We're talking maybe 3 to 5 points. That's it. It's not a deal breaker. And it certainly won't stop you from qualifying. Here's what really matters. Getting your credit checked is the first step to getting pre-approved. And that pre-approval is what gives you real buying power when you find a home you love. If you're considering buying a home and want to check your credit without affecting your score, reach out today for a soft credit pre-qualification. A final word. I've helped over 1,300 Kentucky homebuyers secure loans through FHA, VA, USDA, and KHC programs. Your Credit Karma score won't cut it. We need to pull the FICO 2, 4, 5 scores to get you approved and locked into the right loan. Let's do this the right way. To get pre-approved the right way with an accurate assessment of your mortgage-ready credit, please reach out. Call or text 5029-053-708. Email kentuckyloan@gmail.com. Legal disclaimers. This website is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Loan programs, rates, and requirements are subject to change without notice. Not all borrowers will qualify. This information is not endorsed or sponsored by FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, or any government agency. Joel Lobb is licensed to originate mortgages in Kentucky only. Equal housing lender. Licensed by the Kentucky Department of Financial Institutions. NMLS number 57916.